Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Fit wiper blades. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. You'll also want a small towel and possibly a flathead screwdriver for stubborn clips. Begin by lifting the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Always place a towel on the glass to prevent damage if the arm accidentally springs back. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the entire blade assembly downwards, away from the arm's hook. It should detach with a gentle pull. Remember to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm so it doesn't accidentally spring back and hit your windshield. Installing the new blade is just as straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade upwards into the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your windshield. To ensure everything is working correctly, turn on your car and test the new wiper blades with some windshield washer fluid. Watch for smooth, streak-free operation across the entire glass. For best performance and longevity, remember to regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth. Also, for other great deals and that awesome sock link, make sure to check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.